Listen up. You want to lose that belly fat, but you're full of excuses. No time, healthy food is boring, you can't cook. Stop stuffing your face with takeaways and wondering why you look like a donut. The Japanese have mastered lean, delicious food for centuries. It's not hard. Today I'll show you 7 fast, vibrant Japanese meals. No more excuses. Let's get cooking. First up, the steamed chicken and daikon citrus plate. It's clean, elegant, and at 290 calories. It's a powerhouse for fat loss. Stop thinking you need to fry everything in a gallon of oil to get flavor. We're steaming. It's a pure way to cook, locking in nutrients and moisture without adding a single drop of useless fatty grease. Get a beautiful lean chicken breast. No skin, you don't need it. Now, the daikon. It's a Japanese radish, packed with fiber and enzymes that will get your sluggish digestive system moving. Slice it thin. Arrange it on the plate with the steamed chicken. Presentation matters. You eat with your eyes first. The magic is the citrus soy dressing. A bit of quality soy sauce, a squeeze of yuzu or lemon. Wake it up. That bright, acidic kick cuts through the richness of the chicken and elevates the entire dish. This is how you make diet food that doesn't taste like punishment. You take a piece of that tender, juicy chicken, a sliver of the crisp daikon, and you get that hit of citrus. It's refreshing. It fills you up without weighing you down. This isn't just a meal, it's a statement. It says you're serious about your health, but you're not willing to eat bland, boring rubbish. It proves you can have something sophisticated and satisfying that actively works to burn fat. So many of you are scared of the kitchen. Why? It's simple. Chicken, daikon, steam, citrus, done. This dish is your first step. Right, next dish. Spinach sesame tofu toss. 230 calories. Are you listening? This is a Japanese staple for a reason. It's smart, it's simple, and it's incredibly effective for slimming down. For all you people who think tofu is bland, you're just cooking it wrong. Tofu is a canvas. You are the artist. We start with good quality, firm tofu. Press it. Get the water out. We're not frying it. Frying is a lazy way to add flavor and a fast way to add belly fat. We're blanching the spinach and gently handling the tofu. The spinach is packed with iron and minerals, and it wilts down in seconds. The dressing is where the magic happens. A gomai dressing. Toasted sesame seeds, a touch of soy sauce, a hint of mirin for sweetness, not a mountain of sugar. You grind the sesame seeds yourself. Toasting them releases the oils and creates an incredible, nutty, deep aroma. You gently toss the blanched spinach and the cubed tofu in this beautiful, fragrant sesame dressing. Be gentle. Don't mash it into a green and white pulp. It should be a toss, a light coating. Each piece of tofu and every leaf of spinach should be kissed by the dressing, not suffocated by it. This dish is a nutritional powerhouse. It's a complete meal that feels light, but is incredibly satisfying. Now for something with some real guts. Sardine tomato miso skillet. Yes, sardines. Don't you dare turn your nose up. Sardines are one of nature's superfoods. They are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are absolute rockets for your metabolism. They fight inflammation and help your body burn fat for fuel. These little fish are your best friends in the war against your waistline. This dish is brilliantly simple and incredibly robust. We're talking about a one-skillet wonder. Less washing up, no excuses. You start with a bit of garlic and ginger, sizzled in a tiny bit of olive oil. Then in go the tomatoes. We want them to break down, to release their juices, and create a rustic, beautiful sauce. Now, the flavor bomb miso paste. A spoonful of this whisked into the tomato sauce transforms it from simple to sublime. Once the sauce is bubbling away and smelling absolutely divine, you gently lay the sardines in. Use good quality, tinned sardines in olive oil or water, not some cheap rubbish. This skillet is a beast. At under 340 calories, you're getting a massive dose of high-quality protein, healthy fats, and metabolism-boosting compounds. Meet the konjac noodle ginger bowl, a true game changer. For just 120 calories, you get a massive, filling bowl of noodles. Konjac or shirataki, noodles are made from the konjac yam, almost all water and fiber. virtually 0 calories or carbs. Rinse, dry fry and top with a fragrant ginger broth. The ultimate weapon against hunger on a diet. Next, eggplant soy glaze flash sauté. Too many of you think of eggplant or aubergine as a greasy, oil-soaked sponge. That's because you cook it like an amateur, drowning it in oil and letting it get soggy and heavy. Wrong. Cooked properly, eggplant is a magnificent vegetable that soaks up flavor, not calories. This dish is only 200 calories, and it will change your mind forever. The secret is in the preparation. You chop the eggplant into bite-sized chunks. Then, you need to draw out the moisture. A little salt, let it sit for 15 minutes. You'll see the water bead up on the surface, pat it dry. Now, the cooking method, a flash sauté. This means a very hot pan, a wok is perfect, and minimal oil. We're talking a teaspoon, not a swimming pool. Get the pan screaming hot, then in with the eggplant. Keep it moving, toss it constantly. While it's cooking, you add the glaze. A simple mixture of soy sauce, a little mirin for a touch of sweetness and shine, and a dash of sesame oil for nutty aroma, added at the very end. The hot eggplant will drink up this glaze instantly. Pay attention because life gets busy and this is your secret weapon for those days. Chilled soba with radish and nori. 310 calories. This isn't some sad desk lunch. This is a refreshing, sophisticated and balanced meal that you can throw together in less than 10 minutes. It's the ultimate fast food for people who are serious about their health. We're using soba noodles. These are made from buckwheat, which gives them a wonderful, nutty, earthy flavor. More importantly, they are a better quality carbohydrate than refined white pasta. They have more protein and fiber, which means they won't spike your blood sugar and leave you crashing and craving junk food an hour later. They are a smarter carb choice. Cooking them is simple. Boiling water, in they go. They cook in about 4 to 5 minutes. The crucial, non-negotiable step is what you do after they're cooked. You must rinse them under cold running water. This washes off the excess starch and stops the cooking process, ensuring they are perfectly al dente and not a clumpy, sticky mess. It's what makes a chilled noodle dish refreshing. The sauce is a dipping sauce, called tsuyu. You can buy a decent quality bottle of it, or make it yourself with dashi, soy sauce, and mirin. It's light, it's savory, and it's meant to complement the noodles, not drown them. This is about clean, distinct flavors. You don't pour it all over the noodles, you dip the noodles into the sauce with each bite. Last one, and this is for all of you who get home from work, you're starving, and you're about to order a greasy pizza. Stop! This ginger chicken and cabbage skillet takes 6 minutes. 6! You can't even get a pizza delivered that fast. This is your emergency meal, your craving crusher, your ultimate defense against diet-destroying decisions. 330 calories of pure satisfaction. We're using thinly sliced chicken, thigh or breast, your choice. Slice thin so it cooks in a flash. And cabbage. Don't scoff. Cabbage is brilliant. It's incredibly low in calories, full of fiber, and when you cook it right, it becomes sweet and tender. We're going to shred it. This is a high-volume, low-calorie meal. It will fill your plate and your stomach. Get your skillet or wok screaming hot. A tiny bit of oil. In with the chicken. Spread it out, let it sear. Don't touch it for a minute. Let it get some color. Color is flavor. Then, add a massive handful of that shredded cabbage and a good amount of grated ginger and garlic. The whole process, from chicken hitting the pan to plating, is less than 6 minutes. So there you have it. 7 incredible, delicious, and lightning-fast Japanese meals that will help you melt that stubborn belly fat. No more "I don't have time." No more "healthy food is bland." No more excuses. I've given you the tools, the techniques, and the recipes. I've shown you that you can eat beautiful, satisfying food that gets you lean. These dishes are your blueprint for success. They are simple, they are effective, and they taste damn good. The rest is up to you. Are you going to go back to your old lazy habits? Or are you going to step up and take control? Are you going to get in the kitchen and make that steamed chicken, that konjac noodle bowl, that 6-minute skillet? The choice is yours. You can keep complaining about your weight, or you can start cooking and see real, lasting results. This isn't a magic pill. It's a lifestyle change, and it starts with one simple, delicious meal. Don't just watch this video and forget about it. Take action. Pick one recipe, just one, and make it this week. See how easy it is. Feel how good you feel after eating it. That's how it starts.